What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Case Digital. In today's video, we're answering the question of how to swap variables in Python, and I'm going to give you two methods to do so. One, it would be kind of more of the naive approach, or the approach that one might use coming from a different programming language. And then the second is going to be more of the Pythonic or Ninja way that you can swap those variables in Python. And let's hop right into method number one. So method number one basically involves a temp variable that you're just going to use to help you switch variable values. And after that, you're going to throw it away. So I got a variable and say temp is equal to var underscore 1, and then I'm going to say var 1 is equal to var 2, and then var 2 is equal to temp. So easy enough. Essentially, I'm just saying, using this to hold this variable so that way I can do the swapping there. And now if I go and print this, then we have, and I'll say after. And right here, you'll see there is the beginning, our hello world, and then afterwards we have world hello. So that's method number one. Now, the Pythonic way of doing this, so if I want to take these and kind of switch these back to go hello world, what I would do, kind of the Pythonic or Ninja way, as I mentioned before, is essentially go var 1, var 2 is equal to var 2, var 1, and we'll print this out again. Ninja. And if we show this all from the beginning, essentially we have the beginning where we had hello world, and then we did our hello world, and then we did our swappage right here. So after we get world hello, now if we do the Ninja method, we basically get hello world again. Now essentially what's happening is what's allowing us to happen is these essentially become, when you pair something with this comma, it's becoming a tuple. And what we're doing is we're extracting out the contents of that tuple into these two variable names. So I essentially am creating something that looks like this, just with that comma reference, even though that's not there. And then what happens is variable 2 then gets assigned to variable 1, or the value of variable 2 gets assigned to our variable name of var 1, and then the value of var 1 gets assigned to var 2, and there we have it. We have the Ninja or Pythonic way of swapping variables in Python. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions about how you could use this, or any questions about anything else that's related to Python, please leave those questions in the comments down below. And until next time, keep on programming.